guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you liked my last video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did my fence mural during summer because I'm currently working on my foam box and it's not ready, so I don't have a video on that for you yet. But I do have a video on the fence I did during the summer, so I'll show you that. And if the weather doesn't permit you to do something outside at the minute, you could apply it to an indoor mural. So I hope you like it and let's get started.
So the first thing I did was clean this with just warm soapy water and let it dry, and then you'll see here I'm using an electric sander just to get any rough patches off of the fence. Next up, I'm priming the fence with a suitable paint for exterior use. This is the Otex primer from Carlow Paint Hub. Because it is oil based, it'll seal all of the knots in the wood. Here I'm going in with my background colours. I didn't have much in the tins, so I would have usually just painted the whole thing, like the whole background, and then painted the shapes on top of that. But because I didn't have much paint, I just did each separately, but it ended up working out. Next, I'm freehand painting the leaves. These are just some simple stem leaves, and I'm changing the colour with the different background colours. I hand drew and cut out a Monstera leaf just to use as a basic stencil. I didn't use this entirely. I would just draw around it to get the general shape, and then I would sort of paint my own version of that, if that makes sense, because I wanted each to sort of be different and more fluid than a set stencil for each one. You can see me drawing around the stencil roughly here. And then I'm painting the outline and filling in the middle, keeping a few spots blank for the background colour. And here I'm going in with a darker colour just to sort of create a foreground and a background and a mid-level. It sort of creates this nice effect. I like how it sort of has all these different levels to it. So this is the end result. I'm delighted with it, and you can see a few other projects that I did. Now I'm going to show you how I painted this drying area that my dad made. It was initially very ugly, so I wanted to paint it with that dark colour to sort of bring that over to the side, and I painted a bench in this gorgeous pink and this little birdhouse, which I think is so cute. I also painted this metal box with the same paints and then used a Posca painting marker to do the white detailed leaves.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like it. I'm super happy with the end result. Makes me really happy when it's raining outside, but that's super colourful and fun. And I quite like the rain, so the rain makes me happy anyways. But it is really nice to look out, and it's super effective. Like, I couldn't believe the first time I even just painted the background blue. It was so nice to look out to the garden and see that. So I'm super happy with it, and I'm really happy with all the leaves and stuff. I got a really nice finish by just cutting in really closely with the background colour, so it's not like a frayed edge or anything like that. It's super graphic and beautiful. So yeah, I love it, and I hope you liked my other projects. If you haven't subscribed already, definitely do. I'm going to have a weekly video out. And yeah, this is one of my favourite projects. I think it was a super effective before and after. So let me know in the comments below if you're going to try it out. And let me know what you'd like to see next, because I'd love to get some feedback. I have a video planned for every week during this month, but then next month I have basically no ideas. So it would be great to get some ideas from you guys. Soon I will be showing you my finished foam box. We're not there yet, but I'm very close to finishing. So thank you so much, guys, and I will talk to you soon.